Paragraph. The Autobiography of a River. The Autobiography of a River. I am the river Ganges. I am the largest and most sacred river of India. I was born thousands of years ago from the Himalayas. I am very restless from my birth. My current is very strong in my upper course. Here I leap from one rock to another. My middle course starts from Haridwar in the plains. I am very wide and slow. It is the largest part of my body. I enter the sea going through many fields and gardens, towns and villages. People have built large towns and cities on my banks. Some of them are the centers of culture and education, trade and commerce. Many towns of pilgrimage are located on my banks. Hundreds of pilgrims bathe in my sacred water. I am myself a deity to thousands of people of the country. Boats, steamers, and ships ply along on my surface. My water is used for drinking and other purposes. During the rainy season, my surface rises and I overflow the banks, causing floods. People suffer much, but I am not actually responsible for this. I am very old and have seen many men come to this world and die. I have no death. I will flow on forever. Like the cloud, I change, but I cannot die.